Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Like most teenagers, I guess, my kids seem to be able to argue about pretty much anything. Arguments suddenly flare up at the drop of a hat. And they're often about completely daft things. Whose turn is it to clean up the cat puke on the floor? Are tomatoes fruits or vegetables? And yesterday, what the best brand of ice cream is. When my kids try to get me involved in these arguments, my usual response is, hey, I'm not taking sides in this. I'm staying neutral. I'm keeping out of it. If you keep out of an argument or a debate or a conflict, you don't get involved, basically, yeah? So you might say, if someone's having an argument and they try to get you in and they ask you, what do you think? Whose side are you on? You might just say, hey, keep me out of it. I want no part in this. Maybe if you're out for dinner or for drinks with some friends and maybe one of the couples in front of you starts having a little domestic dispute, again, they might try to drag you into this and see what you think, to see if you sympathise with one side or the other. You might want to keep out of it or keep well out of it. And sometimes if, for example, I'm telling my son off for something he's done and my daughter tries to add her tuppence worth, I might say to her, listen, this is nothing to do with you. It doesn't concern you. You keep out of it, okay? If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use keep out of